How to get rid of constipation with ginger. There is some anecdotal evidence that ginger helps keep you regular, or acts as a laxative. However, it is not as reliable as other all-natural herbs and spices that are known to get things moving. Because it helps to cleanse your digestive tract, it can also lead to more frequent bowel movements. Anyone who has ever soothed an upset stomach with a glass of ginger ale knows that ginger is also a helpful digestive. Sipping ginger tea or chewing on fresh ginger helps digest heavy foods or hearty meals, and children may chew on ginger to ease a stomachache or to relieve motion sickness. Ginger is a warming herb that causes the inside of the body to generate more heat. Herbalists say this can help speed up sluggish digestion. In tea, the hot water will also stimulate digestion and help relieve constipation. Dandelion tea is also a gentle laxative and detoxifier.